Welcome back, folks. This is Greg Silverman, Outsourced Chief Investment Officer, bringing you another Come Learn With Me article. I have a fairly large network and I put a lot of articles out there for curation. Then I measure, see what comes back, what people like, and share. And this is one that percolated from last week. It's especially gratifying because we have been investors in farmland for a long time. And if you'd like to take a look at some of the themes that we invest in, take a look at the Bright Talk link down below, where you can see some of the webinars and some of the investments we featured and we've partaken in ourselves. All right, US cropland value hits record highs. I guess more of the inflation theme. US cropland value up 10, 12. All right. If you're interested, as I am, in real estate, then allow me. This is Barry Ritholtz. He's a co-founder, chairman, chief investment of Ritholtz Wealth Management. He's a very well-known dude. If you're interested, as I am, then allow me to suggest you consider exploring the world of farmland. It is something I've done for a while and is a fascinating rabbit hole to fall into. Not much as an investor, but as someone interested in how agriculture works. But yes, there is an investor angle here as well. You can go as deep or as shallow as you like. Your interest does not have to go further than an occasional visit to a farm for a harvest festival, hayride, or Halloween corn maze. One of my local farms makes amazing pies. Blueberry crumble, raspberry peach, and strawberry rhubarb are my family favorites. If you'd like to go deeper down the rabbit hole, you can track farmland value via the USDA. Explore the regional differences in value or cropland and pastures rents. You can also play with the local data sources, the Cornell Seneca Cooperative. You can search active listings for farm acreage and sales online. It's not quite Zillow surfing, but it's still engaging. You can also follow a farm-specific Twitter feeds. I'm fond of farm policy. If you want to become an investor in farmland, it becomes more complicated. Prices have risen to record highs. Auctions are plus 65% over last year, as are acres sold 106% and dollar value 130%. So it may be a bit late on the cycle. Note also that inflation drives crop prices higher, and that lets land values and especially rents rise. Price spirals can ensue. If you have a long-term perspective and want to own non-housing, non-office productive real estate, it's an option worth exploring. There's a lot of due diligence required. Don't just drive up to Vermont and buy the first farm you see with a for sale sign on it. Farmers are pretty savvy about selling land. Regardless, it's a fun area to explore. All right, well, there you go. Kind of not much substance to it, but interesting nonetheless that everyone voted it up. So the general consensus, I would say, is that inflation is transitory and going away. As I talk about all these record highs that have been hit, inflation is going to be with us for a while. And I think these asset classes may still do well for a while yet. So take a look at some of the links below. Subscribe and like. Greg Silverman out for now.